we'll guide you through how to make flag maps in Ibis Paint X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your Ibis Paint by double-clicking the application icon on your device so the program launches properly. Next, start a new project by opening My Gallery from the main screen where your previous works are stored. After that, left-click on the plus logo located on the upper bar menu to create a new project file. You will then need to select your preferred canvas size based on the dimensions you want to work with. To add your region map, go to the Layer option on the bottom menu bar and choose the Import Picture feature. Pick your region map image from your files and resize the image so it fits neatly on your canvas. Then click the check mark to confirm. Make sure your region map image has clear lines and only solid colors for easier selection later. Now, go back to the Layer option and switch your blank layer so it is positioned above the image layer. Ensure your current layer is set to the blank layer before proceeding. Next, pick the Magic Wand tool from the left toolbar and left-click on the selected country area you want to fill. Then, go to the Layer option again and choose Import Picture to add the selected country flag. Pick the appropriate country flag image and resize it until it fills the selected area correctly. Then left-click the check mark once it is done. After placing the flag, return to the blank layer. Choose the Magic Wand again and click Remove Selection to clear the active selection. You can repeat this process to add another country flag to its respective area as needed. Always make sure you select areas using the Magic Wand only while on the blank layer, and only add new country flags above the blank layer for proper layering. When you are completely finished, go to the Export option, left-click on Save Image, set your desired format, and choose OK to render your final image. Take your time reviewing each placed flag to ensure alignment and coverage are accurate, and adjust any mistakes before exporting. This careful checking step helps produce a cleaner and more professional result that clearly displays each country within the map for better overall visual clarity in your final output.